Hi there, my name is Matt Liquori and I want to show you how you can make an app with Liquori Fit Apps. And I think you're going to find it so easy, and I'm so confident that I'm going to take you through and show you how you can make an app from one of our templates in just 5 to 10 minutes, okay? Let's switch over to the app cam, this camera right here, and see what I'm talking about.
All right. Test one, test two. Take a look at that nice view of the PCH on the Pacific Coast. So first thing we're going to do is go to liquorifitapps.com. Let's make this a little bit bigger. So we're at liquorifitapps.com, and what we're going to do is just go straight to sign up. If anyone is looking to get started on making their own app, they can do it for free. They only pay when they publish to the app stores. So we're going to sign up right here and sign up. So check it out. We have our templates right here that we can browse through, and they're fully interactive, so we can check them out right here in this emulator. We can go through a few templates, go through them and check them out, but I'm thinking I want to look at this guy right here. So this is the template I want to take and make my app with. So I'm going to choose this template. I'm going to go to app name. I'm going to do video test. This one is for you. My name is Matt Liquori. I'm going to use Liquori_fit at iCloud.com. Alright, so now we start building. So that's all I did. That took less than a minute to get signed up. You know, I haven't put in a card or anything, and I won't until I'm ready to throw my app on the app stores with Liquori Fit Apps, okay? So this is going to take a second, and when it loads, it is going to bring us to our app dashboard, our control panel. Alright, so this is loading now, our control panel. This is where we are going to make, edit, and manage our app right here. So we've got our app right here. We've got our app editor right here. So let me show you. We're going to click Home Plugin. I'm going to give you a quick tour right now. So we got a crash course happening right now. So the app editor is right here. This is what we can do to edit everything in the app, and we're going to see all the changes right here. So for example, if I wanted to move workout plugin right here, by the way, a plugin is a feature. We have many different kinds of features we can put into these apps, but if I want to move this, I see the changes right as it saves, and like that, it changes, okay? Every single plugin has a few tabs, the content, where we can really add the content right in. We can go to design and change a few things. So we've got a few different layouts that we can do for these icons right here. And I want to put in a background image. So I've got background image slots right here. There are 4 different sizes. So you do want to put in a picture for each size, because that's going to guarantee that on Android devices, on tablets, on iPhones, on iPads, they all kind of look like they're fit to scale. So that's how, simple our system is to work for all devices. So I just click open that. I've got my media library here. So this is where we can load images in to use throughout our app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this picture right here. Let's just say I want to, I'm a contest prep coach. I'm prepping a lot of competitors for bodybuilding shows, bikini shows. So that is the kind of app I'm going to make. I'm going to have my clients' meal plans and training programs right in here on my app. So I put in the background image and it pops up right there. So we have a logo option, and we also have images options right here from what we're seeing right here. Let's go back and change that logo. So I just took it off. You don't have to have the logo. If you don't have the logo, the images slide up there, but let's just see if I want to have a logo. You got to play with this here and there and see what is going to work best for you. So let's put in, my Liquori Fit app icon that I use right now. So I'm loading that into the media library. I can click it right here, and that's just, gonna pop up, and we can see how it looks. Well, it's blocking my head, so turns out I'm not gonna use that icon there, no logo, and I'm actually gonna take off these images here. So, these images were here for the sake of the template, but when you start making your own app, you make it exactly how you want to. So this is gonna be my home page right here, and I can go in and keep editing from here. Okay, so now we're at our home page. We are, going to go through and make sure the content on the home page, all these buttons are, how we kind of want them. So I'm going to go through a couple of them, make some changes, and, set up this app. So right here we got client login. This is a great plugin. So whenever someone downloads your app and create an account, you have their username, you have their email right here in user management tab right here. So if I was going to sign up with Matt at liquorifit.com, I would put it in the user slot right there, and then I would go to find plugin. So then I would take any plugin I want. Look at this, private client homepage. I'm going to click that and apply, and I'm going to do insert new user. So the purpose of this plugin that we made for trainers and for anyone who wants to use this kind of service, if I'm signed in, I can log in the side menu right here. If I'm signed in to Matt at liquorifit.com, that profile, and I click client login, it is going to bring me right to that private client homepage where I can put information just for my client that I want, like a meal plan, like a training program. So we are personalizing and creating a private portal for clients. All right, all controlled on the app owner side right here in client login. Okay, so client login is a powerful tool that's going to stay right there on the homepage. All right, let's look at workouts. Workouts is done with a folder plugin, and that means that we can do a lot of things with it. So first of all, we have the same image carousel right here. Let's say we want to put an image here. We can go into images, and I conveniently have some images ready for this. So, you know, this is kind of a competition style app, so I'm gonna, you know, put in the appropriate picture. So why not a stage picture for the top here? Also very cool, on all of these images on the top of all of these plugins, we can do add an action, and we can link it. So whenever you click that image on that page, you can do a purchase, straight link to an in-app purchase. You can send them to another piece of app content, send them to a website. You can link them right to your email, right to a text message, right to calling you. The list goes on and on. You can do a lot of things with this simple thing, and that's on every plugin. It's very cool. So then we have our WYSIWYG text box right here, where I've got some content going down here. Basically it says, this is where our platform is amazing. You know, creatively designed workouts that will change and improve your users and your clients' health and fitness, okay? You can do it however you like. So you can link plugins below. You see how we have YouTube in the store. You can just make plugins and put different workouts below, or you can just put photos and videos right in here in this WYSIWYG text box. So there's a lot we can do with it. You can put text, you can put pictures, videos right in this text box. You can hit other links below. So the possibilities are endless for how you can run these workout tab. So then let's look at tools right here. Tools, I've got another folder plugin. Folder plugins are insanely valuable for what you can do with them. So right here I've got some tools that we've made. So we've got a Tabata timer. It works. You can set the rounds for Tabata, 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, a great hit workout. We've got a calorie calculator. We've got an events calendar linked right up to my Google Calendar, so I can let all my clients, all my users know when I'm having an event, when I want them to be somewhere, and they can see it right there, okay? So I'm actually gonna decide to take workouts off of the home page. I want them to really be going to client login or tools to get that. So I'm gonna put workouts and tools. So we're just gonna delete workouts from right there. We are going to go back to tools, and we will go to add plugin instant, and we will just scroll through our plugins and hit workouts. So we're gonna see something right here. Workouts is, the picture's not loading because that icon was not fit for this size. So that's because we're in a design tab where we're using one of these things that is not fit for those icons. For example, if we were right here, that icon comes up, but that's not a problem. We're gonna go back to this layout right here, and I'm gonna go to workouts, and I'm just gonna change this icon right here, so that completely changes. So this is workouts. We can go to icons right here. We can upload an image of our own, or we can go to stock images. We have a ton of images right here that we can use. So I'm gonna search workout and see what we got. We got a ton of things. Let's go right here. Actually, how about this one? So when we go back, That looks a lot better than a blank space right there. So we can pick images and we can do a lot of customization for these plugins. Okay. For the rest of the homepage right here, we have Facebook, YouTube, and store plugin. So the store plugin is very cool. You can just send in a Shopify link and you can just stream all of your items, all of your services right here to have a little app store right in your app. YouTube and Facebook plugins, just links to social media. The YouTube plugin is very cool because we can link a playlist, we can link an entire YouTube channel, or we can link a single video. I think what I want to do is create a new plugin. So I'm going to add new plugin, I'm going to create new plugin, and these are all the plugins we have to use right here. We've got links to all the things you already use: SoundCloud, Twitter, Vimeo, YouTube. We got a social wall for a little chat room in your app. If we can scroll through, we can go so many apps. So the plugin that I want is just another folder plugin. These folder plugins are very good for organizing the content that you want. So I'm going to do an About Me folder plugin. So that's going to come up right there. I'm going to click it. Right away, I'm going to change the icon up here from what its default is to, how about a folder? That would make sense to me. So we'll go folder. We're going to go About Me. We're going to take out some of these images. I'm going to type About Me right here. And if you're not sure how it's going to look, that's all right. Just type away because that'll pop up right on the app emulator right over here, About Me. So as I go through here, I think I want to add in that Facebook plugin and YouTube plugin right here. Also link to the client login so they can have access right here. So from the About Me, we've got Facebook, YouTube, client login. How about we add a new plugin? How about an image gallery and info slider? So we're gonna do gallery. I'm gonna add a plugin to the About Me section. This is a cool one, so I'm gonna go icon. I'm gonna pick this picture image, seems fitting. I'm gonna erase what they already have. I'm gonna do a little bulk upload of, I got 7 images, so I'm gonna be uploading these images right here. So now that all of those images are loaded in here, I'm gonna click all of them. I can select multiple at once. I'm going to insert all of those. I can arrange the photos right here. And you see it's widescreen right here, but let's just go to Design tab right here, and we will probably see widescreen. Switch it to full screen because my images are perfect for this full screen image. So this slider is going to be on a slideshow, but we can scroll through right here all these pictures I just added. So we just added an image gallery right there. I could probably add a contact form in right there, but let's go back to the home page. I made the About Me section. I want the store on the home page. Now I don't need Facebook or YouTube, so I'm thinking 4 plugins on the home page. Those are the 4 important ones. Let's go back to design and change it to right here. So we got all 4 just down at the bottom, nice and neat. And also I can go to the side menu. We got a side menu right here, and we can add plugins right in there. And I think I will add, say, the client login, of course, the store, About Me, and the events calendar. So I've got those plugins right up in here in the side menu. And I can always change the color of these icons and the entire color of the entire app by going right here to the appearance tab and changing some things around. So let's make those icons red. I like those red icons. So let's just go back, see what that looks like. Obviously we want to change the entire color scheme. I'll probably change this side menu button red as well. But right there I have a pretty set up app right here. Got client login, I've got tools for my clients to use. I've got a store for my clients to shop. I've got some about me information, some contact information, and all you have to do to put this app onto the App Store is press upgrade right here. There are a few different membership options right there that you can click, but once you upgrade your account, which you can do so for as little as $49 per month, your app will go to the App Stores. It will take about a day or two to get on the Google Play Store, and it'll take roughly a week to get on the Apple Play Store. Okay? And by the way, if you ever had any questions while you were making your app at any time, you can click this little chat dot in the corner. You can contact myself, you can contact my partner Alex, or you can contact anyone else on our support team. We love helping you getting your app set up and really making an impact on your business and on your clients. Thank you so much for watching this video. The exciting thing is we only touch the surface at how creative and how unique you can make your own app. And let's get you signed up, let's get you started. Let us know if you have any questions, and I can't wait to see what you make.